Welcome everybody back to the vlog. This guy's gonna get some new shoes, huh? What kind of shoes are you looking for?
Some Kyrie.
Let's see if they have his Kyrie's here at the Brea Mall.
Who's kid in the window?
Who's kid in the window? Let's go, man. He's having the time of his life.
I have TikTok.
Sunday, man. The day looks horrible, so we decided to come to the Brea Mall. What are you gonna buy today?
Some Kyrie's.
Some Kyrie's? Get you some Kyrie's? Check out the La Brea Mall. The Brea Mall. So we're at the mall, right? And this guy's gonna get some shoes today. And
Kyrie's.
we're eating Blaze Pizza.
Yeah.
We got all kinds of food here.
And then we're gonna get some of that Momo over there. That's
Momo?
Yeah.
That ice cream with the fish in it. We'll show you guys, huh?
Yeah, you could put Nutella in the cone.
Oh man, look at you're drooling already. This orange creamsicle tastes like a creamsicle. It's really good.
Alright, so we just got the pizza right now. Beauty.
Look at that thing.
So juicy.
You gonna eat all that?
I mean, you said you were sharing with me, so.
Oh man, all right. Let's go. Let's try to get this pizza down our throats. You got that? They usually only have this at San Anita Mall, huh? But now they have it here at the Brea Mall. It's got Nutella in there somewhere.
Somewhere?
All right, enjoy. What happened, man? They don't have your Kyrie's?
I want the bronze.
My man's looking for some new shoes, but it's kind of hard because he's a size 5 and the shoes he does want, they don't really carry. What do you want? Some of those?
The LeBron.
So what do you think, man? Some LeBrons?
These right here. I want 6.
What about the TikTok girls? Ooh.
These are some good basketball shoes right there.
There? Oh, get you the fila chanclas. These aren't bad. Look, all these ducks.
Oh, look at these. Some slides.
Sandals.
Are these Air Force Ones?
Oh, look at, they have their girlfriend Veronica's name on it.
Wow.
Kyrie.
So what do you think, man?
Yeah.
Those gonna go good?
These are like my 3rd pair of basketball shoes.
Yeah.
I want.
Because look at these. Oh man, you put a beating on
It
these.
looks like I got
they-
shot.
Oh man, what is that?
It looks like I live at Compton.
And look, it looks like they were really on fire.
You're really on fire. You're about to burn these. And if you sell them, they smell like fire.
Look at the bottom.
You should just wear them out. Want to wear them out today? Put the other one on.
Yeah, these are way comfier.
So he decided on these shoes right here, the Kyrie 6s.
No, feel right here, feel right here.
Oh, I know, man. I don't want to touch your shoes. It smells.
They're all sweaty.
Now, the tough part about getting basketball shoes compared to Vans is it's going to take him like 20 minutes to put his shoes on now.
Yeah.
Postmates is here? Get in, man. We're going to space.
Tesla, drive us out of here.
Pretty soon we'll be like, hey, Mr. Tesla, can you take us to where? The strip club? Hey, man, you can't go there yet.
I'm not 21.
Oh, you can close it. Let's see. Will it close? No, it's disabled. Come on. Let's go see the dual motor one. It's I want to see this in the world's greatest drag race.
Ooh.
How would it compare to
Oh, you could have a charger that.
who do you think would win?
R8
No, I think this is a Model S, huh? Yeah. This one or the M3?
That kind of sucks. Look what happened.
Oh no, it ripped. Just like your pants at the quinceañera.
Oh yeah.
Let's go to the Apple Store.
Oh.
Oh man, the Apple Store is always packed. They got a.
People buying new phones, new Apple Watches and stuff.
Is it time for a new phone? I heard the 12 is, I'm gonna wait.
Just, yeah.
I'm just gonna wait.
Because if you get this, this is like, you're only getting one extra camera. For like,
Okay. Yeah, we go.
We're here at your favorite store, man. Morphe. Don't go in there, man. It gets crazy. Now we're at the Sweet Factory. What do you want? They got candy galore.
ooh.
Look at it. $3 a pound. $1,000 bill.
Wait, how much is a pound?
Oh, they got chamoy gummy apple rings.
I'll let you get some of this stuff.
You want a quarter pound of it?
Yeah.
They trick you, man. There's no way you're gonna get a quarter pound watch by the time. We're just gonna get a couple things.
And that's it.
It's gonna be like
Oh,
$5.
Yeah, let's get stuff.
What do you want to get?
Whoa.
And again, my man's already wearing his new shoes, huh? Bam!
Some Kyrie. Alright, let's go. Alright.
Get some cigarettes? I remember.
Yeah, let's get some cigarettes. Smoke it.
People still smoke? Alright, man. Give me some good stuff. Oh, give me some of that chamoy mango. Alright, grab your bag.
This is all on me.
Alright, you got that?
So, food review on some of this candy. So,
Oh man, what did you get?
let's try the egg first.
That egg looks nasty, man.
Try some?
I don't want to know that egg, man.
It's good though. Mangoes are all for you.
You're gonna get ripped out. This little tiny bag was $5, huh?
That should be like $2 right there.
And it is, but I mean, again, you're going into the Sweet Factory, so they're gonna charge you an arm and a leg for like a little bit of candy.
Yeah. We got like 5 pieces of candies and that's what
Yeah, that's it.
came
It was
out.
like $5. So most likely this year, this is where he's gonna have his birthday party. Check it out. They have all kinds of stuff. It's like a gaming zone, huh? I guess this is where you can play your card games.
Fortnite.
And they got like,
I'm gonna invite Raymond here because there's magic.
they have like 30 TVs set up to go play Fortnite or Call of Duty or soccer.
The skin that they got.
Oh, they have a restroom right there in the corner.
You gonna buy another skin?
They have these chairs right here. You can chill out, play your video games. Which skin do you want? He's gonna buy a new skin for his PlayStation controller.
Because I don't like
They're pretty good for like $10 bucks.
This is the one that I
Yeah,
got.
he got that one.
But I don't like it anymore. Oh, look at this one. This one looks cool.
What about the glow in the dark one?
So this year we're probably gonna do his birthday party here. They have, it's like 30 plus screens, little birthday tables. Pretty cool, huh?
It's like a little place where you can chill out and stuff.
Can I have your birthday party here?
Yeah. I already have this one.